Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a gloss text effect using gradient editor. Start by typing bold text on dark background, open layer style and select gradient overlay. In gradient editor, add transparent to light blue gradient, adjust opacity stops to make the middle slightly brighter, and set the blending mode to the screen. Now add a bevel and emboss effect the 3D shape and, and apply an inner glow with white color for edges shine. Now duplicate the text layer and blur it slightly. Reduce opacity to simulate light reflections and also add a soft shadow for separation from background. Now your text looks like forest glass.